folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today we're going to do some stovetop cooking on the Elmira Fireview. So right now I have something in the oven. I'm baking a pie and my oven got quite hot, so I'm actually dampered down the stove a little bit. My cooktop temperature is quite hot right now. I've got 790 here in the middle, 600 here, about 380 on this far side. So today I'm making one of my favorite little snacks. This is spinach and cheese. So I don't know, maybe it's the nutrients in the spinach, but this is like one of my favorite meals and I constantly crave it. So right now I'm just looking for kind of a quick snack before dinner. So all this is for me, and I just kind of want to show you guys about cooking on the stovetop itself. So people ask about pans. This is a Teflon pan. You can use a Teflon pan on a wood cook stove. There's no issue with that. Basically all this is spinach, salt and pepper, just a teeny bit of water in the bottom to keep it from sticking, and a little bit of cheese on top. So just because this stove is running so hot, I am gonna start it on this farther end. Spinach, it really just needs to steam. It won't take long. So I'll keep you guys updated on my progress as we go through cooking and baking. Okay, we're cooking the spinach. I want to point out the cooktop. So when you get the cooktop right away, it is very shiny. It appears to be stainless. This is not a stainless cooktop. So this is actually a brand new stove. It's our second time burning it. But you can see that the cooktop has already started to discolor. And actually today is my first time cooking on it. So it's not from cooking, it's just from the heat. Over here on my far end, I got my spinach and cheese. It's sauteing up nicely. So this is minutes, like I said. You really just steam it and then it's pretty much good to go. Finished product. All done. I'm gonna pull it off the burner and it's good to eat. Now when you put water in your spinach, you do get run out like this. I like to pour it in a cup and drink it so you can keep all of your vitamins. Otherwise, if you dump this, you're losing a large amount of your nutrition in this water. As always, please give our videos a thumbs up, share them with your friends. The more likes we get, the more videos we produce. If you are watching and you would like to see us cook something else or demonstrate something, please leave it in the comments below. We are always open to suggestions. As always, don't forget to click the subscribe button at the top of the page. That'll notify you when we release new videos. I really hope that you enjoy this video, that you find it helpful. As always, have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.